after you found the perfect candidate to write your letter of recommendation, now it's your responsibility to provide that person with the information that they require to maximize the probability of getting you a very powerful letter. Now, before we dive into the information side of it, I just want to make it very clear that the #1 gift that you can give to your referee is the gift of time. And what I mean by that is that there's going to be editing stages, there's going to be emergencies that come up within their life and within your life. So here at Twinbro, we say that you need to give your referee a minimum of 4 weeks. But with saying that, don't wait till the 4-week mark. You really want to maximize the time. So as long as possible for the award that you know you're going to apply for, but again, a minimum of 4 weeks. Now we want to make the letter writing process as enjoyable as possible for your referee. And how we're going to do that is that we're going to simplify the process by providing them with an information package. And what we're going to include in that information package is the date that the letter is due, the name of the organization and the program that you're applying for, and then a short statement of why this particular award is important to you and important to your future. Now we've provided some very basic information, but we want to get even more strategic. And how we're going to accomplish this is that we're going to go through our applications or our admission requirements and look for key criteria that the judges or selection committee are looking for. Then what we're going to do is we're going to outline those or summarize them in the package that you're going to give to your referee. Now the point for doing this is that you'll probably be the best person to match up the criteria with your achievements or your activities that you participate in. So by listing them, it's kind of like listing talking points on a cue card when you give a presentation or speech. And it's very easy to see that your letter of recommendation is just a presentation about yourself. So what you're going to do is you have your activities, you have the selected criteria, you match them together, and then you're ensuring that everything that that referee is going to write about adds value to your application, and that they don't wander off with some kind of irrelevant story that doesn't even add value. So now we've created a very solid package of information. But we really haven't discussed how we're going to deliver it to our referee. Well, we're going to cover that in a later video on twinbro.com. But before we leave here, I'd like to talk about an American individual who won over $400,000 in scholarships. Her name's Marian Raggins, and she's actually the author of Winning Scholarships for College. Now, on page 170 of her book, she provides a template letter that you can feed all this information into. And we're going to provide a link on our website so that you can find that book.